How to think like a billionaire. In the world of finance and accounting education, understanding the billionaire mindset is crucial for those who aspire to achieve financial success. Billionaires like Warren Buffett and Elon Musk possess unique characteristics and strategies that set them apart from the rest. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of thinking like a billionaire, exploring the long-term vision, calculated risk-taking, and innovative thinking that drive their success. Why you need to think like a billionaire. Your mindset significantly influences your life's achievements. If you think like a millionaire, you're likely to become one. However, if you aim higher and develop a billionaire mindset, you increase your chances of reaching that level of success. Donald Trump wrote a book titled How to Think Like a Billionaire because he understands the profound impact of thinking patterns on achieving success. The mindset of a millionaire won't propel you to billionaire status. Developing your mindset is essential. Some entrepreneurs reject opportunities due to limitations they've set in their minds. They haven't trained their mindset to reach beyond their financial boundaries, which can hinder their potential. On the flip side, accidental millionaires who lack the proper mindset often lose their wealth. These individuals aren't destined for failure, but their mindset limits their ability to manage their newfound financial position. Skip the business books. Here's what billionaires do instead. While many people devour self-help books, listen to popular podcasts, and adopt trendy strategies to boost their success, billionaires take a different path. They understand that the real benefits lie in unconventional wisdom. Icons like Larry Ellison and Warren Buffett didn't waste their time on SEO hacks or someone else's morning routine. Instead, they hungered for knowledge outside the mainstream. Rather than joining the crowd, billionaires delved into history, immersed themselves in science fiction, and dissected the biographies of visionary leaders who paved the way before them. They engaged in profound correspondence with ambitious friends who shared similar journeys. Unlike the average professional who habitually checks emails or prioritizes newsletters, billionaire founders and CEOs maintain laser-like focus. They possess a ruthless ability to discern the essential from the non-essential, always prioritizing substance over fluff. Billionaires often write books, but not until they've achieved their financial milestones. These books serve as a testament to their principles, imparting wisdom to those earlier in their journey or allowing others to document their stories. In essence, the key to their success lies in discerning what truly matters and allocating their attention accordingly. The long-term vision. Billionaires are renowned for their unwavering commitment to long-term financial goals. They understand that true wealth is not built overnight, but through consistent strategic planning and execution. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He famously once said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." This statement encapsulates the essence of thinking long-term. Thinking long-term in finance is about recognizing the power of compounding. When students grasp this concept, they understand the value of consistent, disciplined investing over time. The benefits extend beyond just accumulating wealth. It's about securing a stable financial future and building a lasting legacy. Balancing work and mindful thinking. Billionaire founders have a different approach to work. They don't chain themselves to their computers, constantly engage in meetings, or rush through busy schedules. Instead, they make room for hobbies and passions that let their professional minds take a break, allowing their default mode network to function optimally. Whether it's playing chess, embarking on a refreshing hike, or practicing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, they prioritize activities that help them disconnect. They may choose to swim in a tranquil lake, engage in a treadmill run, or fully immerse themselves in quality time with their children, offering undivided attention. During these moments of relaxation, brilliant ideas often emerge, and seemingly insurmountable problems begin to unravel as their subconscious mind quietly works in the background. To an outsider, this preference for mindful contemplation over constant business may appear idle or indulgent. Some may even suggest that they should be more engrossed in work. However, what others might not realize is that their brains are working tirelessly, diligently processing and sifting through complex issues to uncover their core solutions. Risk-taking and calculated risks. While billionaires are known for taking risks, they don't do so blindly. Their approach involves calculated risk-taking, where they carefully assess potential rewards against potential losses. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, exemplifies this mindset. His audacious projects involve substantial risk, but meticulous planning minimizes the downside. Calculated risk-taking strategies. Calculate risk-taking lies in conducting a thorough risk assessment. Finance students should learn to evaluate investment opportunities critically, considering factors such as market volatility, industry trends, and financial indicators. Simultaneously, they should develop risk mitigation strategies to safeguard their investments and financial stability. Innovation and adaptability. Innovation is a hallmark of billionaire thinking. Visionaries like Elon Musk disrupt entire industries through groundbreaking ideas. For finance students, embracing innovation is essential. Finance isn't just about managing money. It's also about adapting to evolving markets and technologies. Think like a billionaire, innovations in finance. In today's fast-paced financial landscape, staying updated on technological advancements is crucial. Fintech innovations such as blockchain and robo-advisors are reshaping the industry. Finance students need to not only adapt to these changes but also explore how they can leverage them to create value and drive innovation. The role of education in billionaire thinking. Lifelong learning. Billionaires are avid learners throughout their lives. They invest time and resources in acquiring new knowledge and skills. This approach extends to finance education, where continuous learning is paramount. Lifelong learning is about more than just acquiring degrees. It's about seeking knowledge continuously from various sources. Online courses, investment journals, and seminars provide valuable insights into financial markets, investment strategies, and networking opportunities, allowing students to stay competitive in the field. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is the foundation of billionaire thinking. Understanding complex financial concepts is essential for effective wealth management. For both billionaires and finance students, a solid grasp of finance is non-negotiable. Financial literacy is not just about understanding financial jargon. It's about mastering fundamental concepts. Compound interest, for example, highlights how money can grow over time through interest compounding. Students who comprehend these concepts can make informed financial decisions that align with their long-term goals. Building a financial network. Networking strategies. Billionaires understand the value of a strong network. Networking is a crucial skill for finance students as it opens doors to opportunities and mentorship. Networking is about more than just attending events. It's about building genuine relationships. Finance students should actively seek mentorship, engage in industry events, and participate in online communities to connect with professionals who can offer guidance and insights. Collaboration and partnerships. Billionaires often collaborate with other successful individuals to achieve mutual goals. This approach fosters innovation and shared success, a concept applicable to finance students. Collaboration isn't limited to business, it extends to finance. Students can explore opportunities for joint ventures, strategic alliances, and even mergers and acquisitions within the finance industry. These collaborations can lead to innovative solutions and mutual growth. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.